Welcome back. In the last lesson, you learned how to set clear and realistic financial goals using the SMART method. But here's the thing, goals on their own aren't enough. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Many people set financial goals but never reach them. Not because they are lazy, but because they don't know the steps to get there. That's what today's lesson is all about. We're going to create a step-by-step financial plan to help you stay focused, stay consistent, and turn your goals into real results. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a financial plan? A financial plan is your personal roadmap. It guides your decisions about spending, saving, and investing. It gives you direction, helps you avoid unnecessary debt, and puts you in control of your future. Without a plan, your money tends to vanish. With a plan, you're telling every dollar where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Now let's break it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1 is to define your financial goals. Go back to the SMART goal you created in the last lesson. What are you working toward right now? Whether it's saving $1,000, paying off a credit card, or starting an investment account, be specific and write it down. Step 2 is to track your income and expenses. Before you can plan what to do with your money, you need to understand where it's going now. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, track your spending for the next month. You can use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet, whatever works best for you. The key is to be honest and detailed. You might be surprised by how much you spend on little things. And that awareness is the first step toward change. Step 3 is to create a budget that actually worked for your life. One popular method is called the 50-30-20 rule. That means 50% of your income goes to needs, things like rent, bills, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, things like entertainment, eating out, or shopping. And the final 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This isn't a strict formula, it's a flexible guideline. You can adjust the percentages to fit your situation. The important thing is that you're making a plan and sticking to it. Step 4 is to build your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. It protects you when life throws unexpected expenses your way. Eventually, you'll want to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. But if that feels overwhelming, start with a smaller goal, like $500. The key is to get started and make regular progress. Step 5 is to make your money work for you. That means paying off high-interest debt as quickly as you can. It also means starting to invest, even if it's just a small amount. And finally, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so that saving and investing happens without you even thinking about it. Small, consistent actions will compound over time. So, let's turn this into action. Take a moment now and write down one small step you will take to start building your financial plan. Will you start tracking your expenses? Set up a budget. Open a savings account. Choose something simple and do it today. That first step builds momentum. You've now created the foundation for a financial plan that can support your goals, reduce stress, and build long-term security. In the next lesson, we'll zoom in on budgeting, how to manage your day-to-day spending and avoid common money leaks. Make sure to download the worksheet for this lesson. And I'll see you in lesson 4.